Hey, what's up guys, in this video we're going to talk about arrays in JavaScript. So array is a data structure that stores a collection of elements, such as it can store number, string, or even objects, and then we can access them by using the indexing. So the question is why we should use arrays instead of normal variables. Like an example, we can have the variables animal1 cat, animal2 dog, and animal3 tiger. So here we have 3 variables, but suppose we have 100 more animals, so we cannot create 100 variables like this. This will be a nightmare and it will be very hard to manage them. So the solution is array. An array can hold many values under the same name, and then we can access them by using the index number. So let's see how we can create one array. So there is 2 ways we can create array. The simplest one is by using array literal, and let's just create one array. Suppose we have the array animal, so we have to use square bracket, and inside the square bracket we can have the values like cat, dog, and tiger. So here we have created one array animal with the values cat, dog, and tiger, and if we console log that, so you can see we have the array with the 3 values. Now there is another way we can create the array is by using the new keyword. Let's just create the same animal array. This time we're gonna use the new keyword, and inside the array we're gonna pass in the values, and if we console that, so you can see we have the same array logged on to the console. Now let's see how we can access the array elements. We can access the array elements by using the indexing. The indexing starts from 0. So the first element will have the index 0, the second element will have the index 1, and this way it will go on. So to access the first element, we're gonna use the index 0, and you can see we have the first element. Similarly, we can pass in the index 1 and we have dog, and also we can modify the array values like animal 0, so we can change the cat name like new cat. And now if we console, so you can see the new array has new cat instead of the cat. So this way we can modify our array values. And one of the main advantages of using array is that array can contain different data types. The array can contain numbers like 1, the array can contain string like John, the array even can contain objects like name John and age 20, and then we can just access them. So the first element we can access, the second element, and the third element, the object, we can also access that. Now let's talk about few of the important mostly used array properties and methods. So the length method returns the number of elements one array has. Like an example, we can console log animal.length, and you can see it returns 3 because the animal array has 3 elements. And also the length property is very useful while trying to access the last element of the array. Like an example, last element, we have to pass the last index, so for that we can use animal.length -1. So this way we can access the last element of the array. And also we have the sort method. So the sort method is used to sort the array elements. Like an example, we have one array, so you can see the array numbers are not sorted. Now we can use the sort method and we can sort the array very easily. So we have to use numbers dot sort, and you can see our array is sorted. And this way we have lots and lots of other methods that we're going to talk about in the next video. So hope you understand about the different methods of the array. The array can contain different data types, and we can access one array and we can modify that. And also we have seen that how we can create array by using the new keyword and also by using the array literal. So hope you understand about the concept of arrays in JavaScript. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.